Hey, good morning. Good morning, sleepy butt. Huh? No, good morning? Hey, mama. Good morning. Good morning. It's time to get up this morning, and I went to bed like a little after 4 last night. So I was just trying to get some stuff done last night, and it seems like a majority of the stuff I'm able to do at night when Ariana is asleep. So I just had to write down a couple of things, and I am so tired today. Like, I used to be able to stay up till XYZ amount of time, but I am so exhausted. Are you exhausted, mama? Are you exhausted? Not really. Okay. Once we are finished with our morning routine downstairs, we go back upstairs to get dressed for the day. And today is St. Patrick's Day, so I got this cute little outfit for Ari to put on today. So I'm going to wash her face and lotion her down with the Shea Moisture coconut oil. I love this stuff. It leaves Ari's skin really soft, and it doesn't leave any type of residue behind. I also use this body wash as well. Because Ari's hair texture is still really soft, I don't like to manipulate and style her hair too much, but my mom comes over once a week to braid her hair, and I'm going to be taking her braids out and washing her hair tonight, but today I'm just going to style her hair in a ponytail. Always wanted to do this. When Ariana is sleepy and hungry at the same time, she gets really fussy and very impatient. So she normally gets her second bottle mid-morning, and that's when she takes her first nap. So while she's napping, I'm going to go ahead and continue to do her hair just so I have some sort of ability to style it. Her curl pattern is extremely tight, so I do have to moisturize and detangle every single day, otherwise her hair gets really dry and tangled. So like I said, my mom normally comes over once a week to braid her hair just so I don't have to do any type of styling. I don't want to manipulate her hair at all, so that's why I'm doing the little two pigtails. And then while she's napping, I'm going to go ahead and clean her play area because I know she likes to put toys in her mouth. So I just want to make sure everything is clean and sanitized. For the last few days, we have been introducing her to baby food and a lot of different flavors as far as like fruits and veggies, and we're kind of getting an idea of what she likes and what she doesn't like. And right now, I think she's eating pineapple or applesauce, one of those, and she is really liking it to the point where she's like, look honey, let me eat in peace and leave me alone, please. Okay. Hey
I don't think those two are gonna make it.
Hey, you not gonna be crunk no more? You trying to hold it in? Where are you going? You can't get that. And you can't get mad because this is mine.
Water, she ain't want it.
She ain't want it.
Drink some of this water, baby. So you can wash it down. So we get to look at you a little bit.
Wash your hands frequently. And others.
at coronavirus.gov. Together, we can supervisor to see how much vacation time they have. Or sending corporate their expense reports.
Alright, y'all have You had that applesauce. You too crunk now.
To learn more, visit paycom.com.
Alright, your little hair done grew a lot.
When we started our business, we were paying like an arm and leg postage. I remember setting up ship station. I think it was just like 1 or 2 clicks. Everything was
You
on
don't talk like that. You can't do stuff like that.
saving money.
Stop.
Ship station it makes it really easy and seamless. Pick an order, print everything you need, stop the label, it's ready to go.
Oh, you just ruthless, baby.
Shipping like we're cut in half, just like that.
You ain't gonna say excuse me or nothing?
Number one choice.
Nothing.
ShipStation.com.
Ready?
After they had Amy, she would have been done with it.
Is she really holding on? She got both her hands on your legs.
So sweet, and she's so bad
Listen.
Sometimes opposites attract.
Are you saying me or
Sorry. She like, what's wrong? What's wrong with this?
Out of order.
I've been informed that some random
And I have not been out of the house for 5 days, simply because it's either been too cold and windy or it's been raining. So I've been in the house all day. So I told Travis today I am getting out the house and I am going to do some stuff. You can hold it down until I get back. And usually I'm in a rush to get back to Ariana, but girl, she's fine. She's with her daddy. She's okay. So I'm going to head out and get my toes done. Let me get out of this sun. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to head out. I'm going to go to Ulta because I need to pick up some hair moisturizing products. I've been wearing my real hair for the last couple of days now, and I absolutely love my curly hair texture. I love the length of my hair. I will have below the video of me doing my natural hair routine, my wash day routine, so you guys can really get into, you know, my natural hair. I freaking love it. So I ordered this one last night online. I ordered the shampoo, and I can't remember if I ordered the conditioner or not. Let's see. I did come to pick up this, which is the last one, so it must be pretty good because it's sold out literally everywhere. Curl Quench. This one. That one smells good. Oh, I wonder how that one smells. Lemon Blueberry Art. Okay, so these are what I'm gonna pick up. I'm gonna pick up this one for my hair and these 2 body scrubs. And I'm gonna just try this, even though I like the Cantu detangler, but I'm just gonna try it all and see. To help Ariana relax and wind down and get ready for bed, I give her a bath. I don't do this every night because I don't want her skin to dry out from using all of the soap. I do continue to use the Shea Moisture Baby Coconut Oil. I love this stuff for her skin. I also love it for her lotion. But on the days that I do not put her in the tub, I give her like a wash off. So every night I make sure she's sponged off and relaxed, and I also follow up with lotion just to kind of moisturize her skin and get her to wind down for the night so that she sleeps a lot better.
No. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Mama, stop.
Right before I put Ari down for bed, I put on the Owlet Smart Sock. This sock lets me know Ari's heart rate as well as her oxygen level while she is sleeping and while I am sleeping or doing something else. I don't know. I do have a full video on this. I highly recommend this to all moms, especially new moms, because it gives you that peace of mind. It also comes with a camera, and this is the night vision of the Owlet camera. And as you can see, her heart rate is 111 and her oxygen level is 98. So yeah, she is off to sleep and I am about to get some things done around the house that I couldn't get done today. Thank you guys for watching and supporting. Love y'all. Bye.